So I ordered 21-volt electric power shears off eBay. They had some $300 ones on Amazon. I checked on eBay, they had some straight from China. Looked very similar, and so I did a little research. I couldn't find anybody that had done a proper review of how they work, what they are. And so I just ordered them. They came in. I want to show you how they work. It came with 2 batteries, charged just with a little port on top, it looks like. This must be the actual charger. And here are the cutters. So this feels like a safety switch. I can't press this without also pressing that. Now I hear it click. Blades seem very thick, maybe 1/8 inch. Probably 1/8 inch metal on the blade. Alright. So the batteries actually come with a little bit of charge on them. I couldn't get it to do anything because there's a little tiny on-off switch back here. So if I just switch that, now it's on. I have this little light up here. If I hold this down and then press it, it opens up. And now it only moves a little bit at a time. If I hold it down, it closes, opens up. Does it work if I touch it? Yes, it does. So you could totally cut your finger off with this thing. The $300 model that I saw on Amazon had protection for that. These do not. So keep your fingers out of there. Now, some reviews are saying that this feature actually prevents you from cutting wet branches, so it might not be a feature you want anyway. Let's go give it a try. So my neighbor has this nice pile of brush, and that'll be a great test to see how this thing works. Take this thicker one here. That's actually decently thick right there. Takes a couple chops, but it actually gets through it. I'd say that's probably 3/4 inch branch there. So that's, again, maybe that barely fits in there. That one took 4 chops, but eventually got through. Some thinner stuff back here. Chopped right through it. So now we're out here. I have some dead walnut limbs that I can try cutting. Cuts through that fine. First try. I go for some live stuff here. Again, chops it right off, no problem. I think this one piece is pretty dead here, so I'm gonna try cutting this down right near the bottom. Took a couple tries, cut it just fine. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. It's kind of nice.
Now what?
Press the trigger.
I did. Oh, I just have to keep pressing?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize I was cutting off my clothes.
Oh.
Oh, it was a dead branch. Look at that. Yeah, these guys keep stabbing me. Oh, I did it again. Son of a gun.
Well, quit cutting off flowers, Ma. That's not what it's for. Like it?
Yeah, it's a lot easier on my hand. Wow.
You did it again. More flowers.
Oh, I did, didn't I? Bubby did.
Well, it's nice and open over here, no?
Well, that was the goal.
Look how big of a branch you just cut.
I know. Oh, I'm going to have a beautiful bouquet. This is wonderful. Well, this is a nice birthday gift, honey. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ma. Love you.
Oh, well, you know I love you. So I gotta watch my fingers.
So it's been about a month. I asked Mom how she liked it, how long batteries lasted, all that. She says that she's been out there for an hour at times and never ran out of battery. Hasn't even charged it. Goes back a month later and it cuts just fine. And so I would totally recommend it for $100, especially if you have arthritis. I mean, even if you're a muscular guy, like it totally makes your life easier. Definitely worth checking out. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks.